Hi everybody, so I'm finishing the day at 17,687 and I've reached my $200,000 goal in 9 days instead of 10. Anyway, here's my first trade of the day. I am long because the market is pushing up. This is a 2-minute chart. I trade the E-mini S&P futures. I'm long 10 contracts. I'm long 30 contracts now, trying to average up. I'm up $1,500 on the trade. It flattened now and Thinkorswim gets me out at $1,500 on my first trade. Always nice to start with the winner. Here price has dropped and it's hit that what I call a major Q. The thick purple I call major Q and the dashed quadrant lines are I call minor Qs. And this looks like a reverse head and shoulders here. So I'm expecting it to pop up. I'm long 20 contracts, long 30 contracts. I bought 10 more. I really need this thing to bounce. Hit that purple and bounce. 40 contracts, 50 contracts, starting to hit some green in the trade, hit the button at 1600 or so, and there's a long time before Thinkorswim gets me out. And Thinkorswim gets me out at negative 1500 on the trade or whatever, and I'm zero on the day. So annoyed, I'm going to try this again. Buy 10 more contracts. I'm 20 contracts in. I'm very confident it's going to hit this purple and bounce. I don't think I had any red trades today. So 40, 50 contracts in, I'm hitting 4,000, 5,000 on the trade, 6,000 on the trade. Flattened now, and I'm out at $5,875 on the day. Price, of course, popped up after I got out. I always get out too quick. That's my middle name. But it's kind of above this minor Q, this dashed line, and I'm thinking it's got a little more gas in the tank, but it might hit that thick white and use that as resistance and come back down. So I'm trying to be surgical here and thread the needle. I just want to grab a little bit more and be quick about it. I'm up 40 contracts. $50 contracts in, starting to hit some green. Up 1,600, flattened now, and I'm out at $7,500. So price is now falling below the baby blue line, the 200 EMA, and it's also fallen a little bit below that thick purple line, the major Q. So I'm thinking it's going to go short here. It's going to fall some more, so I'm short 10 contracts. But it might also hit that purple and bounce up. So I don't know what's going to happen. And sure enough, it looks like it wants to bounce up. So now I'm just trying to manage the trade and get out without losing my, my shirt. I'm short. I'm hitting some green. That's all I want. I just want to get out of this thing. Hit flatten now, and I'm at 7,750. So I made 250 bucks from my effort. And I'm going to go short again because it's fallen below that purple line, which is very bearish. And it did pop up though. So I'm negative 20 contracts. It flattened now, and I'm at $8,000 on the day. So another little scoop. So what am I going to do here? I'm going to go short again. I just need the market to panic a little bit more and just scoop that up. I hit some green on the trade, hit flatten now, up to 1,500, up 2,000, up 3,000-ish on the trade, and hit flatten now. I'm at $10,125. Price is rising. Got a momentum shift here. The candles are blue. My candles are colored according to my custom MACD script. So I'm going to go long here, and of course price starts to drop a little, so that makes me very nervous. I don't want more panic here. I need the panic to be over. And I'm long. I want price to rise. I'm narrating this after the fact. I don't like to trade and narrate because I do a lot of swearing, especially when Thinkorswim costs me like $3,000-4,000 due to their tardiness. Hit flatten now just to get out, and I'm at $10,500 on the day. Little scoop, and of course it popped up a moment later. So I go long again. Little scoops do add up. Never be shy by a little scoop. A teaspoon here, a teaspoon there, and you can end up with a real nice day. Hit flatten now, and I'm at $11,000 on the day. See, little scoops add up. And if you see here, especially on the right, the 2-minute chart, it's really starting to bounce off that linear regression channel and going up. And here I am showing you on the 5-minute chart on the left how it's bouncing up off the linear regression channels. And here it is on the right on the 2-minute chart. I just want to explain why I was bullish there. Okay, so now price is falling again. So I'm going to go short. Up 250 on the trade, hit flatten now, and I just got a little teeny bit there. Going to go short again here. It's falling. It looks like it wants to fall below that line just immediately to the left. I'll draw it in a moment, but it looks like it's falling through, so I'm short. But it may bounce up off this area. Trading is you're always facing obstacles and hazards. You're trying to dance in the raindrops here, dance in between the raindrops. I'm up 1,000, hit flatten now, and I'm at 12,250 on the day. And there's a line I was very worried about. Okay, and if we look here in linear regression channels, it has fallen below the linear regression channels. So I've gone short, but I don't stay long, and I'll explain why in a few moments. So another 250, 750, and the candle's gone red, which is a color shift, and important to me. I'm actually bullish now. And I'm up 80 contracts, and I'm $1,500 on the trade. I hit flatten now, and I'm at $13,000 on the day. And I'll show you why in a moment, why I was so bullish right there. Or was it the next one? Might be the next one. Sorry. So price is pushing up. And 1,200, 1,700, 500. It flattened now, and I finally get out. Waiting for Thinkorswim to get me out. I'm out at 14,125, and this is why I was bullish. That dashed line is the market open, which did exactly what I thought it might do. So that was the method to my madness there. I'm long here, expecting it to bounce off this thick purple line, this quadrant line. It flattened now. So I'm short now. It's fallen below the purple, so I've gone short. It flattened now, and by the time it gets me out, I am at $15,500. Now I'm just trying to fine tune it because I'm very close to my goal for the day, and I don't want to have a big red trade, so I'm going 1, 2, 5 contracts. So I'm just trying to finesse it here. So I'm now 2 contracts long. Looks like it wants to pass this baby blue line, which would make it very bullish. But I'm not too concerned. I'm just trying to have little teeny tiny scoops here. It flattened out. I'm at 15,612, and I'm at 198,000. In my 9-day total. So that 200,000 is my goal. But I see it pushing up. The candle's gone green, which is very, very bullish. See, it was gray for a good 10 minutes, and now it's gone green. That's a very bullish sign to me, because the market will typically contract, expand, right? Inhale, exhale. But it's gone up too much here, too fast. So I'm thinking it's going to drop a little bit. So I'm short 20 contracts. It flattened now. I'm just under 17,000 on the day. just trying to get now to 17,000. Again, just trying to finesse it here. You're so close to your goal, you start to get scared about totally blowing the goal on the last two trades or something. Having a horrible day, and you're just like inches away. It's not really falling. It's not rising either. It's just really paused. Up 112. I click flatten now, and I'm at 17,087. I'm so close to my 200K goal. I'm going to go short again, thinking it's just going to collapse here. We're falling below that big purple line, which is very meaningful to me. But the market is proving to be kind of resilient here. It's popping up. So as soon as I see a little bit of pop of green here in my trade, I'm just going to get out. I'm not happy about this. It's just, if it goes up further from here, it means it's reclaimed that quadrant line, that major Q. So I'm out at 17,000 and something. And again, it went up. It's gone up to this minor Q now, this dashed purple line. And I'm short 10 contracts. I'm thinking it's going to just pull back from here. And it didn't quite pull back from the purple, but it went up to the previous high just after the bell. And I'm thinking that'd be a great place for it to pull back. So I am short 5 contracts here. And I just need to hit 200K for my goal. Just trying to eke it, squeeze it over in a little tiny squeaker. I'm at 17,687 on the day. That's it. I've hit $200,087 in 9 days of trading. That's wonderful. Woohoo!